Hi, I just got home. So it's 5 o'clock, almost 5 o'clock. Yes, Tiger, you want to get in the picture? I always invite everyone else to get in the picture, so you can get in the picture too. See? There's my Tiger boy. There's big cat. All right, off you go. He wants to sit in my lap. You see, he's not moving. I'm really thirsty and I want my coffee. Just spit on you. There we go. He's really hairy. And he's really taily. So, after school was over, I took the card that my students signed because one of our students has had an operation and she's unable to come to school, so we're sending her a get well card and flowers. So I took the card and went to the mall and printed off a photograph of us, the class, at Christmas time, which nobody's seen. So that picture includes her and she looks really good in the picture. So I took that and I went to the florist, got an arrangement, no actually a grouping of flowers, plants, flowers, plants of flowers, sent to her place. So that is supposed to go out tomorrow. Of course, overnight, we're supposed to be getting a huge snowstorm, 20 to 30 centimeters. So everyone's predicting a snow day for tomorrow, and no movement on the roads. So we'll have to see if that happens. In a way, I hope it does because I have lots of things to do, and in a way, I hope it doesn't because I have things to teach at school, and you know, the students really need every class. On the other hand, it's Chinese New Year, and many students are not there. Many Chinese students, many of them are not there. So, you know, who knows? Who knows? As well, it's a PD day tomorrow, so a lot of people are staying home with their kids. So it's a mixed bag. I don't know. While I was at the mall waiting for my picture, I found a nice ring holder. Isn't that pretty? Very basic, heavy. Julia is not going to be, you know, just grabbing it and running. She can carry it, but you know, not as easily as my little box here, which is a dust gatherer, which I don't like. So there we go. I finally found a very elegant ring holder, similar to the two that I have, prettier, which I can't find. And being as I need a ring holder now, there you go. So all in all, it was a very fruitful trip. Especially if there's no school tomorrow. I can get so much done. And so really, I'm one of those people that's hoping for a snow day. But, you know, I'm also one of those people that's hoping for no snow day. Big eyes. He's got big eyes. You've got big eyes. Yes. Buddy. He's our senior cat. Can't remember for the life of me how old he is right now. At like 16, I think. Junior, 9, 10, I don't know. 16 sounds good. And he's you know, despite every now and then something happens, he always rebounds. Had a stroke a little while ago. but he has just about totally recovered, which is what they say happens when cats get strokes. That's my tile grinder. Heading out into the cold. Trying to get as much work done today as you can before the big snowstorm tomorrow. 20 to 30 centimeters. Or actually it said 21 to 31. We'll see. We'll see. I'm trying to remember what else happened today. It was just, stuff got done. All right, that's it for now. Talk to you later, folks. Have a good evening.